Bienvenue to the language school in Kenya. The language school in Kenya offers French classes in Nairobi. The classes are designed for professionals working in organizations, companies, and students in colleges and in universities. Moreover, French for Beginners course is useful if you're waiting to join institutions of higher learning in Kenya or in France. We also offer crash programs for French language if you are planning to move to a French-speaking country. It could be for a short-term visit or a long-term work or education purpose. In addition, our classes start from French for Beginners course, level A1. You will learn the basics of French language, and gradually, you will progress to become an advanced speaker of the language. We offer our French courses in a conducive environment. Our teachers are very experienced, teaching at all levels from French for beginners to advanced levels. Moreover, you can learn French online. Start your journey to success today. General French. The current General French Language Diploma course that we offer follows the curriculum and model proposed by the Alliance Française. It conforms to the Common European Reference Framework for Languages, CERFL, which is a standard benchmark for foreign languages. Additionally, it is internationally recognized. We organize individualized private and small group French classes in Nairobi to meet each learner's needs and standards and schedule. You will also have a wonderful experience learning French. Moreover, we have French for Beginners for students who have no knowledge of the French language at all. French for specific objectives. We also offer French for specific objective, which is specialized. That is French for specific objectives upon request. Such courses include Secretarial French, Business French, Tourism French, Legal French, Medical French, French for Diplomacy, and French for International Relations. French for corporates. Due to global economic dynamics, countries are forming regional economic blocs. This is to give them a leverage in terms of global competitiveness. One criteria for the formation of these blocs is language. Companies that have multilingual speakers have a competitive edge in the business world. It is important for your company to train your staff to be able to speak the French language. The solution is to take French lessons. As a result, we now have French classes in Nairobi for companies and organizations. Moreover, we have special packages for group classes in companies. Learn French online. Did you know that you can now learn French online from the comfort of your home or office? The online French classes are designed to ensure that you catch up with your French lessons. French for Beginners. We now have French for Beginners course. This is designed for you if you do not speak French at all, and it usually covers 120 hours. When you complete French for Beginners course, you should be able to do tasks as described in level A1. In this French for Beginners course, you will learn greetings, introducing yourself, introducing someone, the alphabet plus letters combinations, nationalities and countries. In addition, you will also learn professions, numbers, giving personal details such as address, telephone numbers, email and age, filling in a form, and ordering for food and drinks online. Other topics include holidays, seasons, describing a city, jobs and places, asking and telling your way or directions, and so much more. Conversational French. Do you struggle speaking French with ease? You are not alone. Even after completing French for Beginners, some students somehow struggle with conversational French. Under this program, we give you the tips, essential French conversation words, phrases, and vocabulary to be able to speak French with ease. Consequently, this will help you master the basics of conversation in French. This is tailored for every level from beginner French students to advanced French students. DELF exams in Nairobi. We regularly organize internal examinations. In addition, we prepare students for international examinations such as DELF. France Education International, formerly known as Centre International d'Études de Paris, CIEP, also offer these French exams. The DELF and DELF are diplomas awarded by the French Ministry of Education to prove the French language skills of learned French candidates. There are 6 independent diplomas which correspond respectively to the 6 levels of the Council of Europe Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. After taking your French courses in Nairobi, we encourage you to sit for the DELF or DELF tests. These tests are internationally recognized. Now you know about the French levels we offer and the DELF and DELF test, plus how we're going to help you become a fluent French speaker. What are you waiting for? Sign up to the language school in Kenya and let us make you an expert French speaker.